Welcome to FreeFocusDance.com. I'm your coach, and you're going to learn how to do a knee slide. The more experienced you are, the more you practice, the better it'll look. It does need a little bit of finesse. All right, so we're going to start off with our feet apart, and we are going to bring our... All right, so we are going to... Welcome to FreeFocusDance.com. I'm Push, and you're going to learn how to do the knee slide. All right, so this knee slide is probably different than what you are thinking of. This is the knee slide I came up with. Very basic, very easy. Anyone can do it. Takes a little bit of finesse to make it look good, but here it is. You can do it, and it's a great, great transition from top to bottom. If you are breaking, really good to have a lot of different transitions to get down with. Start with our feet apart, knees over our toes. Nice comfortable position. We don't need to be too wide. We don't need to be together. Just a nice comfortable position. What we're going to do is we're going to take our right knee and on our right toe, and we're just going to place it inwards. Okay? And then we're going to place it onto the ground. So our knee is going to touch the ground. Toe pivots inwards, knee comes to the ground, okay? One more time, comfortable position, knees over the toes, right foot, twist in. I can also pivot if I need to, if I need some space with my other leg. So if I pivot, knee comes down, and here's the trick. We're going to keep our toe bent, we have grip on the floor. This is not a lot of grip, so I want to have my toes staying on the ground. So the knee comes in, touch the floor, and now I'm going to use this foot to push. So I'm going to push off the floor with this foot and slide my knee outwards. I'm not really going to slide it straight back. I'm going to try to slide at an angle. So a little bit backwards and a little bit to the right side, so I have this angle. So I can use my toe as a grip and as a pivot, so I can pivot this foot. So knee in to the floor. I can put my weight onto my left leg, into my toe, and then I'm going to push this foot out. And that's going to push my knee, pivoting from this toe. And I can come straight out. And take my hand and place it on the floor. So it's going to look like this. Knee in, push out, pivot until this is straight. Place your hands. And you can place your other hand on your hip or your head or whatever you want to do. Okay? I'm just going to place it on my hip for now. We're going to do it from the top a little bit quick. Knee in. Okay? Right knee comes in. Like the stanky leg, you know? A little stanky leg in there. Knee to the floor. Push off this foot. Pivot. And aim at an angle, so that you can get a slide out and place your hand on your hip. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so advancing, and you can use it within a set, make it look a little bit different to get that. It's easy to remove this right foot because you have your hand down and weight on your left. You can pick it up into a freeze, slide up, do it again. Okay, you can make this a shorter slide or a larger slide. Okay, so you can extend the slide as much as you need. As a little bonus, we're gonna put this into a little rotation. So we're gonna do this over and over again so that we can sort of make it look like one move. So bonus time, knee spin, knee slide, spin. Knee slide, what is this called? The knee slide, slide. This is the knee slide, slide. Bonus material. Knee slide. You got it? I'm gonna take this foot and try to place the toe here. Weird, right? Place my hand in, and I'm gonna try to place that toe all the way over. So watch it. Knee down, push out, hand comes in, toe comes over. I can lift up, and guess what? Do it again. Boom. Okay? So it'll look a little bit something like this. You're going to be moving while this is happening, so it's not quite a circle, but you can do it repetitively. You can repeat this move over and over to make it look a little bit different and travel along with it. So here we go. Knee, slide, switch, slide, switch, slide,